Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you the brand new Nintendo Switch game Splatoon 3. I bought this for my son that is turning 6 years old on Monday. And I'm going to show you how it works. I just started the game, so I didn't unlock a lot of things yet, but I'm going to show you the basics and what you can do in this game. So this is a game where you run around and you shoot colors on other players. You can kill the players with the color and you get points, and you gotta make the whole land in your color of your team. And that's basically it about the game, but you're gonna see what it has to offer. It's also online, so you can play online against other people. It's mainly 4 against 4. You can do a salmon run that is also part of the game, and you also have a story mode, so you can do a lot of things on the game, and it's just a super cool game. If you know Splatoon 2, that was already an amazing game, and this is even an upgrade now to the last Splatoon game, and I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so when you start the game, it also starts with a little talking. There's two people. They tell you the news, what happened in Splatoon land, and what you can do. And yeah, it shows you what battle mode is on and what is open at the moment, and what worlds you can play. This changes every few hours, so you can go to different worlds every few hours. It's pretty cool. So you don't go to the same stuff every time. And then once this talking is done and you know everything, then you end up being in a city, in a Splatoon city, and right here. And then you can walk around and yeah, just go to different places. So what you can do is you can buy different weapons, you can buy different clothes. In this city, you can go to stores. In here, you can get weapons, you can go to clothes stores and all types of things. You just walk around and find out. And if you walk up these steps, there are also players everywhere. So you see everywhere players that are online, just standing around. If you go up there, you go to the lobby and you can play your online games right here. And you can also have some practice here. When you come in here, you can directly start shooting, and you see what you can do here. You've also got these little things set up here. You can just shoot them. You can see how strong you are, how strong your weapon is. My weapon is still level 1. I'm level 1, so of course it's gonna yeah, not show so many things. Yeah, so you get different colors every time. So now I'm orange. Maybe when I'm gonna play, I'm gonna be different color. Your hair color changes to the color that you shoot in, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, and you can do different things. So you can be a fish and swim in your own ink. That only works with your own color you have. If the color, the enemy's color is blue, you cannot swim in the blue color. You gotta first make it your own color, and then you can swim in it. And all your weapons got some special attacks that you can use. You can also like throw something in your color, and then it's gonna explode. As you can see here, when you have something high up, you're just gonna throw it, and it is gonna explode, for example. Yeah, and you also yeah, let's just start the online game now, and then we see what is gonna happen next. Okay, so you can do a private battle, you can do a regular battle with friends. Not everything is unlocked yet. Yeah, just let's okay, so you can also just push the X button, so you don't need to walk around in this city, and you can go directly where you want to go to. Like for example, you can get your weapons here, your headgear, your clothing, your shoes, and general how you're looking. You can change this, and these are the other things you can do. The square, the crater, these are like story modes and so on. So I just joined a battle. The battle is going to start when 8 players are in the same battle, and then it's going to begin. You always need 4 against 4. And yeah, of course they have different levels, different weapons, different skills. I just started it, so I'm really not that good. As you can see, that doesn't take long because the game is new. Everyone is on it right now. Everyone want to play it. Now you see on the left side and the right side the teams. And here we are. This is my team. we are green, and this is the opposite team, they are pink. And you just start, you just make everything in your color, and you swim in it. You gotta swim in it to load your weapon, that you got some more ink. And then you go to your enemies and make their colors, and you just gotta kill them. They kill you too. And once you kill, you see who killed you. It was that one right here, Mocha, and you also see with what he killed you. So then you see that he had a pretty cool weapon. And yeah, if you want to change your weapon, then you see what is strong and what is not so strong, how other people kill you. Yeah, so let's just keep putting our ink everywhere, our pink ink. Yeah, and I'm killed again. But it really doesn't matter. You die a lot in this game. You just gotta keep going back and keep making your color. Putting your colors everywhere. Oh, no. Okay, I fell. Game is over in 1 minute and 56 seconds. You see at the top screen. You also see your points at the... Okay, so I got kicked out the online game. So now let's go to something different. And let's try some story mode right now. We're just gonna look into it quick. I didn't start this yet, so I remember from Splatoon 2 that story mode was pretty cool, and it's really a long story that you can do. You gotta have some skills to do this, and you also are able to get some different cool weapons that you cannot just buy. You gotta get them in story mode. So we don't need to read all of that now, but this is definitely the story that we want to do now. I think when you buy the game, you want to read this yourself. Okay, I just skipped that story quick. And he said we should look for the Octarian base. So now let's try to find this. You're just like in your own world. Now I don't really need to put my ink here because, okay. Okay, I just died. Okay, still gotta be careful even in story mode. Mind the fuzzy O's that's all over the place. There are also some boxes standing around everywhere that you can just, sometimes there's some cool stuff in there, like some gear or something. Okay, here's the first world. You can, this is like levels here. So, okay, we cannot go in that one yet. We gotta use this one right here. Okay, we gotta first go through the level before we can do something else. Okay, I just hopped in the first level, and it's gonna show you what to do. I guess we just have to pop these balloons, destroy all the boxes. Also gives you some tips in between, how you can look around, that you don't forget, since this is the first level. It's still giving you a lot of tips. You can also swim as a fish. You can also swim up almost everything. You just gotta spray your ink everywhere. You cannot walk up there, but as a fish you can swim up there to get all the boxes, even on the highest point. Yeah, so this is basically the game. It has levels. You gotta spray your ink everywhere. You have to fight enemies. You have to collect things. You gotta get the best gear you can. You gotta get new weapons and new shirts and pants, and you can change all of that and into the best stuff. That is bringing you some special effects, like if you have some special pants, a special shoes, it gives you, for example, it makes you swim faster or run faster, or it gives you a quick start or something. Yeah, so the game is explaining everything to you. But I love Splatoon. I loved already Splatoon 2, so it was a must for me to get this game, and my son is gonna love it. I think it's definitely working for 6-year-olds. It's of course it's not that easy of a game, so of course he has to learn a lot of things about it with 6 years, but it's also for older kids. I believe that our 12-year-old would love it too. And yeah, you can just do so many things in these games, in the Splatoon games, but this is the newest version, so this is also, if you want to play online, this is definitely a must to have if you are a fan of online games. Yeah, so this is how the game works, and I hope that you like it, and I hope that you are gonna buy it. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. I hope that you like the review, and I highly recommend Splatoon 3 for the Nintendo Switch.